Hello, I'm gonna cook something good today. Yeah.
What is up, YouTube? I am Chef Brandon, and this is Chef Mike. Welcome to the Tasty Tigers.
Today we're gonna make something spinach artichoke dip. It's a very popular and common dish, appetizer in the culinary world.
For our ingredients, we are going to need 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 large clove, finely chopped, 12 ounces of fresh spinach, finely chopped, salt, pepper, just a pinch. We got artichoke hearts, we got cream cheese, shredded mozzarella, and sour cream, green onion, and we got green onion and mozzarella.
Alright, so to begin today, we're gonna heat up our pan to a medium to low heat. We're gonna pour in our olive oil to coat. There. Just make sure it catches every part of the bottom pot to coat it evenly. Then we're going to add our garlic and we're going to stir this around until it's browned. Turn it up a little. And once our garlic is soft and brown, we will add spinach.
1 handful at a time.
Alright.
Good?
Yeah, just start adding it.
Alright, and now we're going to start adding it 1 handful at a time.
We're going to let each one wilt, making sure they're all making contact with the bottom of the pot to make sure that we're getting all the flavor extracted from the artichoke, or the spinach, my bad.
Good, another.
Yeah.
And then we're going to add another one.
Fun fact, an average American eats about 1.5 pounds of spinach a year. But not us, because that's kind of gross. You know, spinach is gross.
Good, another.
Yeah.
And we're going to be adding the rest.
Perfect, Chef Brandon. Alright, now we're just going to let these cook for a few minutes. Kind of let them all wilt and just soak in all the flavor and whatnot. This is one of the base flavors for our dish. Yeah, it's cool.
Next, we're going to add the artichokes, and it's going to be seasoned with salt and pepper.
No, not yet. But before that, you got to make sure to season the spinach with a pinch of salt and a pinch of black pepper. Coating that evenly and then stirring. It smells really good in here, huh?
Yeah, it does. Smells pretty.
We're going to let these cook for a little longer and then we're good to add the artichoke hearts. Alrighty, good to add those artichokes. Now we're just going to mix these in all together. Let them get a good cook on. Brown the artichokes a bit. And then we're going to season again with another pinch of salt.
And another pinch of black pepper.
And when you're cooking stuff in a pie, you always want to make sure that you're scraping the sides because
Stick to it.
you don't want them to stick, and you want to make sure everything is cooked evenly.
Fun fact, spinach is 91% water, and the other 9% consists of carbs, proteins, and fats.
Just going to let these get a little color in them. Mixing in all the spinach, garlic, and artichoke hearts.
Alright, so today I'm going to be showing you the bias cut for the green onion. It's pretty easy. All you do is you cut from a side like this, keep on going. There you go. That's the bias cut, you guys.
So the next step is to reduce the heat to low, and we're going to add our cream cheese. Yeah. All at once. Mixing it around. And then we're also going to add our mozzarella.
Good at it.
Yeah. Now we wanted to reduce our heat so it didn't burn the cream cheese and mozzarella. And we're going to let this melt in our dish for a creamy dip-like base. Mix it in all together consistently. We decided to cook this dish when multiple times on occasions when you're out to eat at a restaurant. This is just a very common appetizer that you can order, and it's great with Panera chips or just regular chips in general. Overall, an easy appetizer to make, and it tastes good. Alright, after a few minutes of cooking, we're going to add our sour cream and our Parmesan. Go ahead. Oh yeah. Oh, it just fell in there.
And Parmesan cheese.
Evenly mixing it all together. And this kind of makes it not so thick and adds more flavor. Keeping a consistent white color. And seasoning with another pinch of salt.
And a pinch of pepper.
Yeah, okay, just wait. I'm going to let this cook for a few more minutes to fully get the flavor out, and will be complete. Now you can just eat it straight out of the pot, but you can also serve it. Turn that off. Into 2 to 3 cups.
It's pretty good, Chef Mike.
Yeah, I know, I'm excited.
Me too.
I think this one could definitely use some more. Alright, and that's how you make some tasty spinach artichoke dip.
These bad boys in there.
So garnish with some green onion, bias cut.
And that is how you make spinach artichoke dip. Make sure to hit that like, subscribe, share with your friends, family, and
Yeah, peace out. Tune in next time.
to the Tasty Tigers.